Shipping features have never been faster with AI, but code reviews haven't scaled to match. Developers push code daily, but too many manual reviews can lead to reviewer fatigue, bottleneck deployment, and worst of all, security vulnerabilities in prod. I'm presenting a solution, an automated multi-agent code review pipeline powered by Google Agent Development Kits and Gemini Flash. Instead of one massive graph, which can be confusing, we built a specialized multi-agent system. First, the users either input text, file, or a GitHub pull request from GitHub's API in the pipeline. This code is passed to our context agent, which is basically an architect that maps out the system. It identifies data classification and overall structure, passing this context down the line to our two specialized agents, the security and performance agents, who evaluate code concurrently for speed. Because they have a context map, the security agent knows exactly what to aggressively hunt for a specific exploits. And the coordinator, the last part of our pipeline, collects the information from the findings model, which organizes the report in terms of severity. For our demo, we're going to be using a real GitHub repository's PR. I just made a basic portfolio summary and a generate tax report differential. And we can pull up our CLI, which we could just write PR, connect the request through the link, and then let's just have an output of demo test.md. And it's going to be outputting 4 states in the pipeline. I'll show it to you after, but I do want to make a note. We're using Gemini 3.1 Flashlight, which although is very efficient for cost and speed, 3.5 Flash is just way better. And I do have a report here I could show you, but I just don't want to hit the limit because if I have to do more retries for this, then it'll be pretty bad. But basically, we go to our context, generate context, then we feed that context to security and performance with their specific prompts regarding what they need to do. And then we have our coordinator, which combines the folders, and if there's any conflicts, like a performance trying to optimize something while security doesn't want something to happen, the coordinator will configure that, and then we just save to demo test. We have right here a very concise report that continues to be consistent because we have our review state, which gives us consistent information, and this allows us to keep everything consistent regarding the code review. And as you can see, a summary, it states there's an SQL injection with account ID. Yeah, there's high severity, another SQL injection with details, and +1 query pattern, blocking IO, and more. And this is perfect, this perfectly clean PR request works with our code review, is what our code review agent outputs. And for the 3.5, it's basically just more detail, more concise, and it also gives a little tad how to fix it directly, which is really nice. Thank you for listening to our project for GDG York's case competition. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.